Hello and welcome once again to Elmo E4 in New York City. This is Dennis Mariasis again from Tripp Lite, being able to show you some of our new products for the E4 show. Right now we have the perfect product for you, and this is our IP-Controllable power strip. We have brought this to market with a lot of different configurations, and for the AV world we have it in 8 outlets, 16 outlets, and 24 outlets with 15 amp, 20 amp, and 30 amp availability. What we find our AV integrator is able to do is reboot product on the fly. Just go to your BlackBerry, your iPhone, or computer and be able to call up any piece of product with a processor that wants to freeze up, and instead of doing that 3-hour tour just to do a hard reboot, you can do it on the fly. So look at the Tripp Lite IP-Controllable power strips and be green and reduce that service call. Thank you again and welcome to Elmo E4 in New York City.